Hi, my name is Genevieve, and I'm a ScarAway user and advocate. Depending on skin type, lifestyle, and the location of scars, some users have experienced difficulty getting the ScarAway sheets to properly stick. If that describes you, don't worry. Understanding proper care is a key factor in achieving the best experience. If you haven't already watched our video on caring for ScarAway, be sure to start there. Here's a quick review. Wash, dry, and apply. Wash the scar area with moisturizer-free soap. Dry the scar area and apply as directed. ScarAway silicone sheet adheres to your skin without the use of harsh adhesives that could irritate sensitive skin. What matters most to the healing process is good contact between the scar and the silicone. So here are a few things you can do to ensure better adhesion. Number 1, make sure to take a good look at the full ingredients in your soaps and body washes. They often contain oil derivatives such as aloe vera, coconut oil, almond, or palm oil, which can make it hard for the sheets to stick. Number 2, you can actually cut down the sheet for a smaller scar, but if you do, be sure to use a large enough piece to allow for movement throughout the day. Greater surface contact with the skin creates stronger adhesion. Number 3, if necessary, you may use medical tape or cohesive wrap for securing the sheets. This is helpful for active areas of the body where there's a lot of movement. It's important to make sure the sheet stays in contact with the skin. Number 4, be sure to remove the sheet while working out because sweat may interfere with adhesion. It's helpful to alternate sheets using the 2-sheet cycle outlined in our Caring for ScarAway video. You can apply a clean sheet after exercise and then wash the other and allow it time to dry. If you're fairly active like me, ScarAway also comes in a gel form or a kit. Choose a product that best fits your lifestyle. Number 5, if your sheet gets folded over and sticks to itself, you don't need to throw it away. Simply use a little moisturizer-free soap and work it between the 2 sides while you're running it under warm water. Slowly, the sides will come apart, and then you can put it on the provided storage strip to dry. I hope these tips help you to find as much success with ScarAway as I've had. With proper care, a single sheet can last up to 7 to 10 days. For more information, refer to your product insert or visit ScarAway.com.